Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, I was scratching my head the other day trying to figure out what were the videos that you guys really liked. And finally it dawned on me, and it should have been obvious. You guys really like the super pretty properties. And once I saw that, I started realizing, yeah, those are the ones that trend, and I started looking specifically for those, and I found a great one. This property is in Scalea. It is up on Via Panoramica, which is named because of the fabulous views from up there. It is down on the ground floor. It has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, plus a beautiful terrace and a garden with sea views. Now this is a really nice option because not a lot of the houses up there have gardens and sea views. It's usually you get one or the other. This one has both. I think this is a beautiful property. I think it's a great value. Take a look.